eating.
Yeah, he's eating.
He don't have more water.
No, there's water in there.
Your water was the only good. So, Casper is the one who lost. Casper's coming back in. Baby. Whoa, he's coming out the toilet. Oh, he's the best climber. Baby went under there. Hey, Casper. No pushing. No pushy. Pushy dushy. He pushed baby the good. Yeah. Hi, Dora. Oh, baby. You say excuse me, Gizmo back here. You say Gizmo back here.
Yes, Gizmo takes a bath in there.
That's dangerous. Gizmo takes back here.
Yes.
That's dangerous. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. No, that's dangerous.
It's okay, Lauren. They play in there.
Look at me.
They